What's up, world? So I decided that, you know what I'm saying? I used to do a lot of stuff for myself, uh, including change my oil, fix my car, whatever. And, you know, it's that season, right? So I like to meet y'all to meet chocolate. You know what I'm saying? Chocolate is the truck. If y'all see me in chocolate at certain times of the day, chocolate don't always look chocolate. But you know what I'm saying? That's neither here nor there. My baby needs an oil change. And as you see, you know what I'm saying? In here right now, I already got the cap out. You know what I'm saying? It's been cooling down. I took a little ride. I had to get a tool um, that I didn't have. But now we about to do it, right? Let me turn around so y'all can see me. See my beautiful face, this beautiful melanin skin on this beautiful black man. You know what I'm saying? Currently chilling in my Rough Rider, my old Rough Riders hoodie, you know what I'm saying? Bike days. That was really the days I was really, maximizing on doing whatever I needed to do for myself. But as you see, I'm in the backyard. I got the truck kind of propped up a little bit on this little hill. This dip, I'm about to use this dip to my advantage to get under the truck without raising it and, you know what I'm saying, getting a creeper and whatever else I would have needed to do. But I'm about to change this oil. Y'all see I got my oil pan. Got my oil pan, man. I'm about to get it popping. So y'all just, watch your boy work real quick. You know what I'm saying? Just so y'all can see what I be up to, man. Pray do it all. I'm telling you. So look, I'm gonna slide that under there because we know that stuff it likes to move where it wants to move. We got this breakable on because I could not get it loose yesterday. Damn. So I want y'all to know that all the places the oil could have went, it shot back at me. That's cool. Just got what we need. But it was a fight. It was definitely a fight. And okay. That works way better. And feel like I got attacked by the oil. Yeah, man. Change your own oil. See, my oil not bad, but I needed to change my oil filter. Because I'm one of those check my oil and add oil people. Well, good times. I'll be back once this thing finishes draining, man. That's a whole another part of the process. Just let y'all see the drainage. So right now, I'm removing the oil filter. Trying to let it do as much dripping as it's gonna do. Okay, just gonna finish. Okay, that's done. Now basically just gotta finish for this stuff to finish draining. Plug it back up, put the new oil filter. But there's one thing I gotta do with the new oil filter before, and I'll let y'all see that.
I'm not sure how much y'all can see. That's also not important. This is about to be quick and efficient. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this new filter, right? I'm gonna take some oil, some new oil, and go ahead, put a little bit in there, you know what I'm saying? Not the whole way, but just enough so that it ain't just a dry start, you know what I'm saying? So right now, what else I'm doing is I took some oil and I'm putting it around this gasket. It's very important. This is important, especially, this is my first time doing a truck by myself. I've never did it, you know, I've never sent it anywhere since I got it. And, you know, basically, when you do this, yeah, you feel me? Let me tell you what all I just saved myself from. It's almost like lubing it up for the next time it gotta come out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm prepared for the next oil change already. Right? Some slide back up in here. I think I need to be upside down. Am I short enough? Twist this in. Twisting this in with my hand. Tighten it with my hand. Just hand tight with these are good enough. You know what I'm saying? Anything beyond what my hand could do, I don't need it. Because this thing is gonna hold itself down. I forgot the bolt. So of course, I gotta get back from out. Grab it, wherever it's at. Here it goes, my tools, my breaker. Decided. Something else I needed to do on the way back. Okay, so got this napkin. Just wipe some of this down. Boat back in there. And we almost back to go time, bro, because we about to be pouring. That's where we at. Right there. That's all I need for that. And we done under the truck. Boom. First off, I know y'all saw me just step up on that. Second, if you see me at this point, you know we're almost finished. So 8 quarts. This is 5. first 5. So we ain't gonna slow down. We're just gonna pour all this going in.
So with that, the oil changed. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I just thought my new oil changing service for Queens need the oil change. I want to go to 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Come to Craig's 10 minute. You dig? And I'm out of here. I got some things to do. So holla at me.